Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Reelin' with Rachel, where today we are getting chicks. My husband just woke me up. I got to sleep in a little bit because it's also my birthday. And so he called and said that they're at the post office, so we got to go get the chicks at the post office. Here we go. Okay, we just got back from the post office. They were literally at the post office. And all that my son did was take off this thing for the unboxing. Da, 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 da. Someone open it.
Yeah, we don't know how. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. There should be 5 in there. Okay, it didn't come with this. That was for my internet safety thing. Precaution. Oh, let's see. Let's see.
No.
Oh, let's see.
There's 2 black ones.
Oh, look. So we got 3 buff Orpingtons. Oh my gosh, did we get 6?
Uh-huh.
We have 6. I thought we ordered 5, and then some black ones. I don't know. Oh, look how cute. All right, so we need to get them set up in their home. The chicks literally come through the mail, and so far, Meyer Hatchery has delivered 6. I thought we only had 5. We're only allowed to keep. You want to see? You want to see the chicks? Okay, hold on. Okay, so we are introducing each chick to the water and then to the food, so they know where they are. This is just a temporary setup because they are easily going to outgrow this. But I didn't prepare very good on getting a huge thing earlier, so I guess you literally just put their face in the food, in the water, so they know where it is. All right, last one. Look, she knows where it is. That one does.
The huge one.
Mm-hmm. So now she knows where the water is. Let's let them know where the food is. Yeah! And now, I did that one by one, and now I gotta put their lamp on this one, because this was our original setup, but the food and water were not gonna fit in there. So now we're gonna put the lamp. There must be some better way. Y'all are probably looking at me like, what is that lady doing? Oh no, I don't think it's gonna go on this. Hey, it does. Okay.
I tell them to open his mouth for thinking.
Ta-da-da.
I put this one to drink like this.
Very good. You gotta be careful, okay? You gotta be careful. No. Don't pick up their whole body. That's not how they're gonna drink it. That's, see, like they're just gonna put them over here, and you just kind of push their mouth in there.
You hungry?
So they know. I think they're kind of chilly. See how they're heading over to the lamp?
Come on, get right there.
All right, be kind. Let them do it too. We just want to
Hey,
love
I
on
was
them.
just hanging out right there.
Yeah, so we'll see if it works.
You have our light on? You want our light on too?
This is not going to work long term at all. Like, I don't even give this a week because they'll jump over the side. The guy at the store recommended that I go ahead and get the big ones for adulthood, and I agree because I didn't want to spend more money, but I could have had the baby ones fit in this instead of using this big old pool. That the pool's not going to be good, so I'm going to have to get a bigger tub for their brooder because I don't want to make it out of cardboard. I think that they are chilly because they're all huddling up underneath the lamp. However, we just turned the lamp on, so maybe it'll start warming up. Yeah. Okay, so don't force them. Let's just watch them and make sure that they know where the food is, they know where the water is.
Right there.
Very good.
She's like, I don't want to brag.
But I know what I'm doing.
Now they're playing with tags. See?
Yeah.
Chicky tag.
Chicky tag.
It tagged the black one. Now they're running.
Mm-hmm. Yep, so we'll see if this lamp continues to warm up and continues to warm up this room so that they're warmer, because I'm also worried that there's too much surface area to our house that they might be too cold, you know what I mean? So we'll see. We might just go get a new tub today. But this is what we did temporarily.
Okay, I just actually...
We want to make sure that their feet don't get in the water, because if it does, that's where they can get chilled. Their feet are really sensitive, I guess. So. So sleepy.
I'm afraid they'll step in it.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little cheep cheep.
Peck, peck.
Ain't nobody gonna let you rest.
Always letting you guys
Yeah, they have horrible balance.
I know.
Dogs like always laying back. One of them earlier stepped in water.
I know. The other one of them, I swear, the one that's gonna die if any of them do, was just walking around in the water trough. Like, I don't know if it knew how to get out.
Which one is it?
Hey, don't peck. Don't peck. That's not nice.
They're just pecking the ground.
No, that one was kind of getting the other one.
In the eye.
Be kind. Good job.
They weren't pecking at each
I'm
other.
gonna try
They
to
just
do
fell
this
on
one.
them.
Can I try to feed him?
No. So far, so good. We've been here for a couple hours now, and even though they are staying close to the lamp, they aren't staying directly underneath it. So I think it's a good temperature for today, but like I said, we're still going to get a new brooder. This was just our unboxing and introducing them to food and water. So these are the new members of our family. Go and subscribe if you want to see their life cycle and them grow up and then them have eggs, because they will be documented frequently. And again, thank you guys so much for being here. This pic. We got this. Sorry. We'll see you on the flap side. Flip side, the flap side. Bye.
Chick slide.